Welcome everyone to another episode of the Brice Side. We are here today at the Eden Project. We've come back to do some more exploring because when we were here before, we couldn't see it all, no way. And we probably still won't see it all today because there is so much here to do, but we're going to do some more looking around. So let's go check it out. It's going to be quite a busy day today because there's a couple of events happening. We've got the Southwest Children's Hospice are running a show, and also it's a blue, what is it? A blue light, like a blue light free entry for like NHS, fire brigade, that type of thing. Always a nice view on the descent. Now, one thing I do want to do today is to get up on the catwalk in the tropical biome, because that was something that we were unable to do the last time we were here. So I really want to get up there and get that sort of view looking down, which is going to be really neat. Well, all those Christmas lights are going to be very pretty to walk through later when it's dark. So, first port of call is we're going to find a place to eat.
Number one.
I opted for a pasty. The kids have opted for a pasty, so they were all big, so we've split one in half, obviously, so they have half each. And you went for the seasonal warmer, as it was called, or the winter warmer. What have you got?
So it's seasonal vegetables cooked in a tomato and paprika sauce, served with a sourdough flatbread.
Nice. It does look quite nice, I must say.
Give it a try and let you know.
Not a bad pasty. A little bit dry, first impressions, but as I'm getting into it, it's alright. Get into the meat. So, there used to be, in my opinion, I think, better food options here at the Eden Project. I remember in that building over there, the main area, I remember there was like a big central divide where there was like chefs and everything cooking in the middle. I don't know, it just seemed better, didn't it? Because actually, it took us quite a while to settle on a place to eat. So this is almost kind of like a bit of a, well, we couldn't really find anything better, so I suppose we ought to have a pasty?
Yeah.
Kind of, maybe. There was pizza at the far end.
And there was a sign that said burgers, but if you could find where the actual burgers are, then you're better people than we are, because we can't find them.
Yeah, I got quite excited. You know what I'm like for burgers? I had a good traipse round. I couldn't find the burgers anywhere, so I don't know, I couldn't find any burgers, but that's a shame, because that would be nice. But yeah, I do think that I think the choice, I think, has gone a little bit downhill in Eden. I don't know. Leave a comment below if you think that is right or wrong. How is your, how have they termed it, winter warmer stew?
It's very nice.
Mm-hmm.
You can taste the paprika, but it's not hot spicy.
Right.
It was steaming hot when they brought it out to me. Obviously, we're sat outside, so it's going to cool down quickly.
Yeah.
It's steaming hot. The flatbread's really nice.
Yeah, it does look quite nice, yeah. Yeah, good.
Yeah.
So, my pasty, your stew, cup of tea, coffee,
2 apple juices.
2 apple juices, and another pasty, which you're digging into, and AJ, came to £28.
Theme park prices.
£28, okay. Bear that in mind. £28. £28. Ouch. That's right, AJ. Okay, supper consumed. Right, we just found where we could have bought the burgers. Darn. Yay! Shelley and Matilda went ice skating. How about that? I opted not to go ice skating because someone needed to look after the boy. We felt that he was a little bit too young to go ice skating, so it got me out of that. Pretty cool disco lighting effect up on the ceiling. That's nice. Looks like it's snowing. You alright, AJ? You good? Do love this place at night. It is lit up really nicely. Some of it's enhanced for Christmas, obviously, like with the sparkly lights up there in the biomes. But they do a good job of lighting this place up. Is doing so well, considering she's never ice skated before. Brilliant. Right, so you did it. You did your ice skating with Matilda.
Yes.
I think that, by watching, I think that she did really, really well.
Oh, she took to it like a penguin to the ice.
Just brilliant. And AJ, I thought AJ was going to be, you know, kind of whinging that he wasn't actually there skating around, but he was good as gold. He just stayed with me. We went and looked at, because there's 3 sort of viewing areas, so we checked out each of them. Yeah, pretty good. So Matilda, did you enjoy the ice skating?
Yeah.
Yeah? Would you do it again?
Yeah.
Yeah, you did really well.
Yippee!
Yeah? High five. Yeah. AJ, you wanted a high five as well. All right, high five. Good job. Look how beautiful those domes are. They really do light it up well. So we're actually going to go inside the domes now and look at it all lit up for Christmas. And like I said earlier in the video, it's my intention to try and get up onto the catwalk and look down on everything. So we'll see if we can do that. We couldn't do it last time, so hopefully today we will be successful. So this lighted pathway has really come into its own now since it's turned dark. Really nice. Liking that. Oh, the warmth just hits you. In fact, the lens is going to get a little bit foggy because of the moisture in here.
What's that smell?
Rainforest. Oh yeah, look up there toward the roof. That's looking really nice. And there's the bow of that little mock-up ship called the Tropic Trader. All nicely lit up for the festive period. Wow, this is really awesome. I'm going to have to do a little bit of lens wiping here. Alright. We are inside. It's actually a totally different experience in here in the night. It's really cool.
It's really dark.
It is really dark. It's kind of spooky. That big bright blue light up there makes it look like moonlight. Very clever lighting. This is very spooky. Who's this coming from the mist? This is like Halloween Horror Nights in Universal.
Before the
This is such a cool experience at night. So here's a little mock-up house, a little homestead from, I assume, somewhere like Southeast Asia. Is that where it's supposed to be? Like
Africa.
Africa? I don't know, I thought it was Southeast Asia. We'll get the information placard in a minute and see what it says. It's like something from a swampy bayou, actually. Still can't get in it. You used to be able to go inside, but no access. I actually can't see an information placard, so I think it's Southeast Asia. We'll go with that. I keep thinking that somewhere a scare actor is going to like come lunging out of this foliage. But it's not the Halloween season, so I think we're good. Another fantastic view of that roof. What a structure. Very futuristic. Whew, it's getting quite warm in this mask. There's the canopy. Let's get on up there. So, Mummy and AJ are not going up on the canopy because they've got the stroller, and that would be, I don't think, possible to go on up there. But you, Miss Bravey Pants, you're going to come up on the canopy with me, aren't you? Yeah, let's go and check it out. Ow! What's that mean? Come on. Wow, indeed, that's very cool. So at this point the pathway splits, so it looks like you can have a more stable walkway, or of course the rope bridge, which is of course what we'll be doing.
That is high.
Yeah, it is high. Look at it down there, look at it. Whoa, whoa, this is really shaky. Obviously, it's a rope bridge. Don't look down. We're almost there, Matilda. Almost there. We did it. So that's the rope bridge we've just crossed. Pretty cool. And that's where the more stable walkway would let out.
Clouds! Daddy!
Yeah.
Clouds!
Clouds. Oh yeah. Clouds. So it does rain inside. Ah! Drips everywhere. Look up above me. Oh, look at all that. That's the canopy walkway. It's like those bioluminescent strands that you find all over Pandora in the film Avatar. And the main catwalk is closed. We have been foiled again. I don't think, Matilda, I don't think that we are destined to get up there. That's where we wanted to go today. That was the main aim of today's video, was to get up onto that canopy. And the darn thing is closed. I don't believe it. You know what that means, silly?
No.
We got to come back at some point when the catwalk is open.
It's so dark outside and it's dark to me and I can't even see it.
It is dark, isn't it?
And I can't even see it.
Oh, it's cool blue lights. I do always like that truck. Very colourful, I like it. Just another look up at the roof with the jungle canopy. It's beautiful, actually. Actually, what started out as quite a busy day, actually the crowds have dissipated a little bit, which is good. So I was just going down some steps. Right, so we're going to leave the rainforest tropical biome, and I see Mama Bear. She's up ahead with AJ. The canopy area where we did walk around, like I said earlier, was inaccessible to strollers, so they walked on, and they're meeting us here. Hey Matilda, you didn't expect that to be waiting for you, did you? How's it, AJ? Good? So walking past the main entrance, so as you come in, you turn to the left to go to the rainforest biome, and turning right will take you into the Mediterranean biome. This one's not quite as warm and steamy as the rainforest biome, obviously, but it is lovely. All those beautiful lights up there on the roof. Wow. Looks like we've got a show starting. A couple of times we've been here, a restaurant actually inside the Mediterranean biome has been closed, but it looks to be open now. Okay, let's check out this live band. Really loving that snowflake pattern on the rockwork up there, that's brilliant. Isn't that fantastic? Quite crowded in here. I struggled to actually get a spot where I could get a really decent view, so I've got a few little bits. I always like these sculptures. They're all they're kind of weird. Good weird. Look at him. There is no doubt about it, the tropical biome, the rainforest biome has got that wow factor. I mean, it's like, yeah, it's fantastic. But that doesn't take anything away from the Mediterranean biome. It really is, it is equally as beautiful. It's just a different type of beautiful. I must say though, the acoustics in here are very good.
Can you put Mummy's mask on?
Very festive. Great dancing.
Yay! Daddy, I'm dancing.
Leaving the biome. If I'm being honest, I don't really think the camera does these biomes justice. Okay. Leaving the biomes via this awesome central walkway surrounded by all these Christmas lights. Loving this.
Say cheese.
So that is going to do it from the Eden Project today. What a fantastic experience. I highly recommend coming here at night, particularly at Christmas time. It really is quite stunning. So we're going to end the video there. As always, if you liked it, give it a big thumbs up. Do subscribe to the Brice Side, it really does help this channel grow. Hit the notification bell and then you never miss out on any video. We are on social media, we're on Twitter, Facebook and Instagram at the Brice Side, so do come check us out. So, from us to you, cheers and gone.